Today, we sneak into a car show. Okay, when you're sneaking in someplace, you gotta look like you belong. So we gotta pick out the perfect outfit. We need to look professional. A suit probably would work. Nothing too flashy because we do want to blend in. Yeah, solid navy blazer. Of course, we gotta pick out the pants to match. To keep the outfit from being too stiff, we're gonna go with a polo. But not just any polo, this very authentic car salesman-like polo. Because we're gonna do a lot of walking today, we're gonna go with these to complete our look. Now, when you're trying to sneak in somewhere, there's gonna be a gate, and they're gonna ask you for some type of credentials. And nothing screams, I belong here more than a neck full of lanyards. And I just happen to have a bunch of lanyards from previous car shows and past events. Even though facial hair is in right now, doesn't hurt to look clean. Let's get dressed. Let's go. See you then. This is the convention center right here. This is where we're about to sneak into, right here. Okay, watch this. Turn on park signal, hit OK, hold down this button right here, and let the magic happen. Wow, it looks really close on that car right there. Parking it like this, and we're in the spot. Without hitting anybody. And that's how you parallel park for lazy people. What's up, what's up? We're on our way now. This is the place. It's about 4:25. Show closes at 6. All right, going in. Just be cool, be calm. You have to look like you belong there. Pretty nice place. So just around this corner is the door. So it's showtime. Let's see if all the prep work pays off. There it is, right there. Just behind me. Right there, that's the entrance to the gate. Let's go. So we're coming in, coming in, coming in. Yes, indeed. BMW. Oh, hey. What's going on? Look who's at the gate here. Look who's at the gate here. Hey!
How are you doing? Hi, come on in.
Yeah, I'm just doing a little video here at the show. So they don't even get a chance to go see the show.
I know they work us.
Hey, this is fun work.
If it's fun?
Aren't we having a blast?
Having a blast? You having a blast too? Everybody's having a blast here. That's a good show.
Yeah.
I'll see you. All right. So that worked out pretty good because I actually know the people who work the door. So it's kind of cheating, but hey, they didn't know me at first, so it worked. It worked. So this is the show. I guess I can take my sunglasses off now. Okay, so I only planned how to get into the show. I have no plans right now, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Let's go look around at some cars. I'm kind of a tech nerd, so I like all that stuff. Gotta love GTRs.
I'm the voice of Night Industry 2000's microprocessor, KITT, a chip if you prefer.
We We had driving and talking cars in the 80s.
Everybody's just behind.
It was ahead of its time. And that's the spirit of these car shows. People keep stuff like this alive, and that's why you come to the shows, for the new stuff and the old stuff. Let's go check out the Exotica. There you go, right there. The only time a Lambo looks plain is when it's next to this. What's up?
Still doing backflips on cars, man?
You know, keeping it low key. Don't believe anything she says.
You came back to buy some, right?
It's possible. You click this and some kind of sorcery happens. Let's click it. Wait, it didn't click. How come it didn't click?
Oh, because you're not strong enough.
Oh, you gotta click the button here.
Yeah, the button.
Okay, so there's the button, right? See the button right there? Okay. Oh, wait, let's do it this side. Oh, there it is. Okay, something's happening. It's like alien technology. I saw this in the movie once. It didn't go well for the people in the movie. Oh yeah, it's pretty warm though. It is pretty warm now.
Yeah, it's 130 degrees.
So the real question is, do you still think Richmond is the best city that you go to?
Hands down, Richmond is the best city that I go to besides Seattle.
You hear that, Seattle? You ain't got nothing on Richmond. Look who's back. Look who. I don't know.
This is vlog.
Vlog with a V. I know the V's and B's get mixed up.
Yeah, I'm Spanish. How'd you know?
I think I'm gonna go do some pull-ups at the Marine place. I heard.
Can you do a pull-up?
You hear what she just said? That's blasphemy right there.
I'm asking.
Okay.
That's just a question.
How many do you think I can do? Give me a number and I'll do it.
Give you a number. Any number. A pull-up. Okay, I could do one.
Okay.
Total.
She can do one.
So that makes, you can you do 25?
25.
25.
So is there a bet?
Yeah.
What's the bet for?
If you hit 25, I'll give you one of these. I'll pay for
All
it
right.
myself.
If I do 25 pull-ups, she'll give me one of these. Okay? All right, so I gotta do 25 pull-ups. And I get one of those quick heat packs. Pretty good deal, I think. I think I can do it. I'm just gonna find that pull-up station.
Are you leaving?
I'm going to, she bet me if I would do 25 pull-ups, she'll give me one of these for free. So,
25.
yeah, that's a lot. I might be able to do it. We're gonna find out.
25 pull-ups. He gets one for free. We'll see. Good luck.
I think it's back here in the corner. I see the bar. Wait a minute. There it is. It's over there behind this Mustang hood. See the Marine's truck? Just above that is the bar. Let's go. What's up, man?
Not a problem. I'm good. How you doing?
Long day. I'm good. The girl, they are selling these heat packs. Did you see them over there?
Yeah,
Heat
I saw
up?
it, yeah.
All right. She bet me if I could do 25 pull-ups right there, that she would give me one of those heat packs for free.
Trying to do 25.
So I went 25. That's a lot of pull-ups.
Let's prove her wrong. So the trick to it, look up the whole time, and also like.
Okay, so this counts.
Mm-hmm.
Hands in counts, not hands out.
You can do both. Yeah. He's gonna do it.
I'm walking around, I'm all stiff.
Loosen up, and make sure you breathe too. You don't want your muscles getting tired.
Breathe. Take off my shoes for less weight. This thing weighs 30.
It won't go anywhere. Trust me. You can use those little steps right there too to get up there if you want.
All right, give me a countdown. Give me 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
All right, let's go.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Holy crap. Hey, that was perfect too. You went all the way down. Look at that. 25.
You owe me a little
I was there too. Like, that's crazy.
But yeah, man, thanks for your help. Thanks for the words of wisdom. 25. I'm headed back over here to the Click Heat booth. I did my 25 pull-ups. I'm gonna show her. I'm gonna get that free heat pack. All right, so we're back at the Click Heat booth. I'm show them I did my 25 pull-ups.
Are you serious?
I'm dead serious. You wanna see it?
Yeah, I have to.
I wish I could film
Did
them.
you do it?
Wish I could film them watching this, but it's on here, so we're gonna turn it off, but we'll be right back. You did 25. It was verified on the GoPro video playback.
Here's for your 25 pull-ups.
You got it. He
Thank you.
indeed got
Thank
it.
you. I'll make sure though I
Well
give
worth.
Click Heat right there a big time shout out on the vlogs.
Ooh, okay. Instagram at Spartan Mindset.
Check it out.
Tell him to go to Selena.
And the whole goal of this vlog was I snuck in here. I didn't have to pay.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I absolutely love it. Do you act like you worked here?
I actually used to work here, so I just kept my shirt. So I just walked in.
That is the smartest thing I've ever heard.
All right, Antoinette. Well, it's a pleasure meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, be good. Not too good, though.
And you have a blessing.
Okay, thanks. What is up? Basically. You know what's real funny is I did that and then I know the people at the door.
Well, yeah.
Okay, so that's it. We got in the show without buying a ticket. Had some fun, won some free gear, saw some old friends. It was a great time. Glad I came out. And now you know how to. Later. Everybody's packing up, going home.
Back again, yeah.
Oh, here we go.
Tell a friend.
Get the beat going, get the beat
Please
going.
don't put this on